If there's one thing people around the world know and love about Japanese history, it has to be the famous samurai. Ninjas are pretty cool too, don't get me wrong. For centuries, what is now known as Fukui Prefecture represented the height of cultural refinement and technological prowess, and the place was once home to its fair share of valiant samurai warriors too. Located in a gorgeous valley right on the outskirts of Fukui City stands the Ichijodani Asakura Clan Ruins, also known as Japan's own Pompeii for the unbelievably great condition they were found in. There, visitors can stroll around the partially restored ruins of the former Ichijodani castle town, the region's cultural, military, and commercial center throughout the Sengoku Warring States period of Japanese history, a time of civil war and political intrigue that lasted for about a century from the end of the 1400s. You see, nobles, monks, and scholars from the then capital of Kyoto made their way north to Ichijodani throughout the period, bringing with them knowledge, culture, and cutting-edge technology. The Asakura clan ruled over the prosperous castle town for a total of 103 years, or 5 generations, until it was burned to the ground in 1573 by Oda Nobunaga, the first great unifier of Japan. Now, the partially restored townscape features a 200-meter-long street lined with the homes of samurai, merchants, and craftsmen, several of which are fully furnished and showcase lifelike mannequins going about their business around the castle town. Covering some 278 hectares, making it the largest medieval ruins in Japan, the site is home to the only castle town ruins in the country to have been kept undisturbed ever since the Warring States period. And on October 1st, 2022, a whole new chapter of this incredible part of Japanese and world history began. The Ichijodani Asakura Family Site Museum finally opened its doors to the public. Based on findings of great interest made through the ongoing archaeological search of the ruins, launched over 50 years ago now, the museum introduces life around the prosperous castle town during its heyday. As part of the museum's fun, innovative exhibits, visitors can wander around a reproduction of the mentioned the 5th head of the clan, Asakura Yoshikage, actually lived in, or gaze in amazement at a fabulous diorama offering a glimpse into the considerable power the influential clan once yielded. For an enhanced experience, download the official app on your phone to get a guided tour of both the ruins and the museum, including some augmented reality and virtual reality fun, quirky games, and other great content. Available now for free in English as well. Details in the description below. For more travel ideas and local tips, look for Experience Fukui on your favorite social media platform. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon!